Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix audio bugged or it's missing, there's no audio on Forza Horizon 6. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to go to settings, then once you're on the settings, you need to go to accessibility here, then you need to look for audio, hearing, and then you should see mono audio and enable this option here, relaunch the game and look if the problem persists, if there is some missing audio or not. I had this issue and it's completely fixed by just enable this option here. But keep in mind that if you play FPS games like CS2, Apex Legends or other games, you will not properly hear steps with this option here. So when you want to play some games, FPS games, just go back here to accessibilities and audio and disable this option because your basically hearing your steps will be inverted. And that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like.